with you at Eat Good TV today. I would like to thank all my members, all my subscribers, anyone that visiting the channel. I would like to thank you and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Today I have a special recipe for you. It's my chicken and broccoli. And here are the ingredients we need. The broccoli is well cut up carrot. I cut them thin. I slice it in 3 lengthwise and I cut them thin. And over here we have our chicken. You can cube the chicken or you can cut it lengthwise like a strip. And over here I have 2 scallion. I have half of onion. I have ginger and garlic. And here I have a container just to mix all the sauce over here. I'm gonna make a sauce now. So first I'm gonna add the soy sauce. So this is soy sauce. I'm just gonna add it here. And I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame oil. Like about a tablespoon. Some brown sugar. And I just mix out the brown sugar. I'm gonna have a delicious sauce. And here we're gonna add some onion powder. About a tablespoon of onion powder. And this is garlic salt. So this is granulated garlic salt. So you know you have the garlic powder and you have the salt inside of it. So a tablespoon. And just mix. Then I'm gonna cut the Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna cut up the Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm gonna use a half. I'm just using a half of the Scotch bonnet in it. I'm just gonna cut it. Thin slices. I'm just gonna add it to the sauce. And the broccoli is peeled. I peel the bottom of the broccoli. I peel here off because I like to use it. Okay, it's good in fiber, the bottom of the broccoli. So I peel them. So I'm gonna just peel this one just to show you. I just take this part off. This heavy part, I take it off. But I never throw away this part here. I never throw away this, I use it up. I'm gonna cut it lengthwise too and use it. When you make homemade broccoli, it is so good. Whether chicken and broccoli, pork and broccoli, beef broccoli, it is very good because you add more flavor to it. You know, you add more stuff to it so you give a nice flavor. So I'm gonna cut up all the, you know, I cut this lengthwise like this. And I split it. I move this a little bit. I cut them lengthwise. Like your julienne carrot, your julienne this, just the same. Just cut the scallion. Finally chop your garlic. Just continue chopping the onion, chop them very small. You can cut the chicken across like this. You can cube your chicken, you can cut it across and cube it like this. In cube like that. Or you can cut it lengthwise. In strips. So I'm gonna do this one in strips. Grate the onion, so I'm just gonna grate the amount I need to put in there. Just need that amount of onion, and then this is the ginger. Small amount of ginger. Put your onion in the cup, the ginger in the cup, the scallion. Add everything in there and let it marinate for 10 minutes. You're just gonna mix it and let it marinate for 10 minutes. I'm seasoning this chicken, so I just add a little bit of the onion and ginger to the chicken. Some garlic salt, so that's granulated garlic with salt inside of it, so it's garlic salt. Some Maggi all-purpose season, and this is optional. The Maggi is optional, but it gives it a lot of flavor. And some onion powder. And some black pepper. And just marinate this for 10 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of flour or cornstarch to make your slurry. And just mix it up. Make sure there is no lump. You just mix it up. You can add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, coconut oil, or I have stir fry oil here, so I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. Place your chicken in the pot to cook. And you can use a wok. If you have a wok, use a wok, but this is a Dutch pot. Add the broccoli stick and the carrot to the pot, to the chicken. Add the broccoli. And just let it cook. Just keep on. Don't cover it, just stir fry it. Let me taste the slurry. Oh wow, delicious. All nice and marinated. So I'm just gonna pour some over the broccoli. You can pour any amount you wish to pour over it. Let me have a taste. So delicious. So good. It is so good. All the flavors is just bursting. Very, very good. So good. Try this one. So good. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.